Hey guys, well, I have a bit of a shopping haul for you today from At Home, Hobby Lobby, and TJ Maxx. So if that sounds like fun, stick with me. All right, let's do this. Let's get into the haul, okay? For all you farmhouse ladies out there, this may be for you. TJ Maxx, $7.99. Greenery with little red berries, little galvanized steel bucket, $7.99. Can't beat the price. Cheap, cheap, cheap. A wreath. Perfect for farmhouse decor. It's on the lighter side, more muted a little bit, and the leaves are a little bit shimmery. I don't know if you're picking that up, with little red holly berries. And this was $14.99. All right, let's move on to the next one. I bought myself a little red kettle. $14.99 TJ Maxx. We went to another estate sale this weekend. People, I'm picking up on this. You guys, that is the way to find stuff for cheap, cheap, cheap. I got myself a black electric stove. I've seen so many girls decorating with these during the holiday season. So I'm going to be putting this red kettle on top of my little stove with two Merry Christmas coffee mugs filled with marshmallows and peppermint sticks. It's going to be so cute. You just wait. Let's talk pillows. A Santa pillow. Isn't it cute? And it's a down one. It's a karate chop pillow. Y'all know I love those. Isn't he cute? And check out the back. Love, love, love. This is going to go in the family room on the sectional. Also from TJ Maxx, this little sign that says Tree Farm. Kringle Family Tree Farm Pine Spruce Fir. How cute is this? $9.99. TJ Maxx. All right, we're moving on to Hobby Lobby. I'm saving the best for last, and that's from the At Home store. But I got this sign that says, Believe in the Magic of Christmas. And this was $14.99, 40% off. Going for the Dr. Seuss look, ladies. My Christmas is going to be magical, whimsical, happy, cheery. You guys just wait. I'm bringing it, so just wait. But this is such a cute sign. Okay, and also from Hobby Lobby is this cute little lamppost. Check it out. It lights up. Is that not adorable? I have a whole bin full of buyer's carolers. I have not decorated with those in ages. And I'm thinking I want to do a buyer's caroler scene next to this lamppost. Maybe in the Addams Family Hutch. I think I'm going to have to figure out a different name for that. We can't call it the Addams Family Hutch during Christmas. Hobby Lobby. Also from Hobby Lobby are these little felt like icicle, sparkly, shimmery, I don't know what it is exactly, but I've seen people use these on their mantles. I have a coffee bar, and above it is a shelf, and I was kind of thinking of taking this and draping it over and then having like the little icicles show. We'll see how that works out. Okay, I've got that spring rod in the kitchen cut out in between my kitchen and the sunroom where I hung my falling leaves. I was thinking of either hanging those ornaments by the Mardi Gras beads at different heights, you know, like one here, one up here, one down, something like that. Or this kind of came to mind when I was at Hobby Lobby, icicles, hanging icicles at different heights. So I got a box of those. And then I thought these were so pretty. I love anything blingy or feminine looking. Hello, ladies. Just kidding. But anyway, I got these because I was thinking I could kind of stagger an icicle, then like a dropped bead that looks like an icicle. But anyway, I got these in, see, I got two different kinds. Well, I got these. And then, aren't those pretty? And then, oops, then I got another set to kind of match with it. Are you guys seeing my vision here? Imagine these hanging. You know, you have like maybe 3 big icicles, and in between, snowflakes. And then in between you have the icicle looking things, and then maybe a couple of these. So anyway, that's my vision. We'll see how that turns out. Okay, so I've got some DIY projects that I've got going on, but I got these little elf feet. It's like elf feet, like a little pit. And then I got a whole bunch of these. Like I said, Dr. Seuss, happy, cheery, fun. And then a whole bunch of these. So this is going to be this bag is a DIY in a bag. Project to come. I love using greenery in all my displays, no matter the season. So I always like to pick up some of these. These were, I think, $5.99, 50% off or something like that. But this is part of a DIY as well. So I need to set those down. And then, ribbon time. I got a whole bunch of this. A whole bunch of these. I won't pull them all out. And red. You guys seeing where I'm going with this? Oh yeah, it's going to be happy and cheery and fun. Okay, now we're moving on to at home. Think The Grinch That Stole Christmas. The Village, how fun everything was, how whimsical. So I got 2 of these. I don't like at home's prices, I just don't. $7.99 each. I got 2 of those. Cute, right? Then I got these 2 little wreaths because this is a DIY project too. These were $5.99. Cute. Then I got a whole bunch of, I'm just going to call it Dr. Seuss. Dr. Seuss kind of ribbon. Check it out. See what else. Oh, I like this one too. So that's where this girl's going with Christmas. I got a lot of ribbon. Now for the fun stuff. So I also got this at home. This was $24.99. And I just thought it would be so cute to create a winter village scene in here. So I may have to run to like Michael's or Hobby Lobby and find some like cute little, like some snow and some little like faux trees and, you know, little people with ice skates on. I don't know, something like that. I just kind of thought it'd be fun to kind of create a cute winter scene and display it on a table somewhere. We'll see how that goes. Check these out. Are these not cute or what? Whimsical and fun. These are peppermint, I guess, looking ones. This was $14.99. And I got 2 of them. I might be putting these on my mantle. Oh, we are going to cheer the family room up with color. Oh, yes, we are. Love. Then I got this one. The smaller one is $12.99. Isn't it pretty? I mean, you could probably do this yourself and save yourself some money. But, love it. Hey, look. I could put these all together. Look at how cute that would look. Okay, now I also got 2 of these. This one has some added blue in it. These were all for $14.99, $14.99. And that will wrap up this girl's Christmas shopping spree for today. Oh, and I got these. Sorry, forgot about these. Got these at Hobby Lobby. These are so cute to decorate with. You can, if you have a kitchen display and you say you want to display a cute Christmas coffee mug, you throw these balls in there and then stick a peppermint stick in. and it looks like, you know, hot cocoa with a stir stick, which is a candy cane. There's another idea for you. Now that I've got all this stuff, I am like, let's go. Let's take down the fall. Let's get going. I'm excited. All right, guys, that'll wrap this one up for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned. Not sure what's next, but I'll be busily working somewhere in this house. Bye, guys.